Hello, it's Xadia. Oh. Hello, it's Xadia. If you're new here, welcome, and I make paper dragons. And today we are going to be making claws. And there you go. I have really sharp, scary dragon claws, but you can also customize them. Here, let me show you. These are the ones I did a long time ago where I basically just took a white one like this and colored them up to make them unique and a lot more matching to the dragon, so you can also do that. This is mostly for like scary paper dragons. I think you could tell this wouldn't go with a cute one, unless you made it specifically for a cute one maybe. Oh, ignore my nails, I didn't have time to do them, so all you will need is just one piece of paper. No glue, no scissors, just a piece of paper and your hands. So first we're going to start by turning it lengthwise. I'm going to take this corner and line it up so that it matches all. Make sure that it's straight by just following the lines. You have this triangle shape with a folded over piece and left over here. Once you have your triangle like this, we're going to fold it down and then again to the point, make sure it's all lined up, and then if you have this problem here, what I'm having here, I just stick my finger down and it becomes flat. So now we have a small triangle here, straight line, and then another triangle here. Now we take this corner here and fold it over to make a square. It should look like this. And now we're going to fold it in half. I'm just slowly turning it this way and then folding it in half. And now we're going to fold it in half again. And now we're going to open it up and then fold this triangle, you can see a line here, up to that line right there, like this. So yeah, you were here, fold it into the middle, and now you have a line here. We're going to fold it over again. So now it looks like the letter A or a point, you know, like pointing that way. And we're going to make a little line so that we know where that was. So I'm just bending it again and then putting pressure. Oh, and now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the point downwards to us and fold this down. Make sure that the line aligns with the top here and goes straight down like the other side when you fold it. And also make sure it goes straight. And now once you have that, you're going to open it and then fold it into this little pouch. So what I'm going to do is going to put my finger in here so that it opens. Now we have a little hole, and we're going to put this and fold it inside and then just keep putting it inside until this goes here. Keep pushing it in. And now this is aligned here and this is inside. Then we're gonna just press here so that it stays inside. And then there is your little dragon claw. So now how to put this and put it on, all you do is you take this and you open it up too. I'd probably stick a thumb. Just open it up like that. And there you go. We have one dragon claw. It is kind of a little bit tight in the beginning, but after some time and after some use, it gets a lot better. It's kind of giving a witch right now. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm going to quickly put all of these on to show you. You have dragon claws. So now how to decorate it. I'm going to show you a chart here of how to decorate them, just little drawings of it. And I'm going to decorate this one. So for example, I'm going to make one for Ivy here, or Moonberry. I'm still not sure of her name yet while filming this. And I'm going to grab her colors. So for example, if this was like purple, that would be a lot better, but I'm going to get green. And as you see here, the ear here is dotted and detailed, so that's what I'm going to bring out into this. I'm just basing this off of my dragon here. There's no reason to, you can do the same thing as me, but I'm just taking inspiration from the dragon that I have already. Because what's stopping you from decorating your dragon claws and making them unique. And it's so fun to do that anyway. There we go. We have one little line. And from that little line, I'm going to do many, many little dots. And there you go. Now I just colored it a little bit. It's not the exact right purple, but that's okay. So I'm gonna have her here. And then if I did a lot more, I could, you know, talk with the little, it's actually probably not a good example to do it with a little mini dragon, but you know, example as a big paper dragon, you could just customize it to your paper dragon, and it makes it a lot more better because instead of having your hands just like this in your little videos, you can have big dragon claws. Or maybe you clicked on this video just to make the dragon claws part, and then you can just customize them as much as you want. Sorry, I wanted to do that, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.